Hey guys, the kitchen is everything by the GM Twins. And yes, don't forget to check out our food website www.thegmkitchen.com. Make sure you check it out. Thank you guys. And today we're learning how to make fries in the simplest way possible. Yeah, so what's needed is 2 large potato. You can actually use more, but this would be enough for about 3 to 4 people. Yeah, so after peeling the potato, cut into the smaller sizes and soak in cold water for about an hour, 3 hours, depending on the time you will be using it. And is this necessary? Yes, it is necessary. This is actually to remove excess starch from the potato, yeah, for a perfect texture. Yeah, so after this, rinse it and lay it out on a flat surface. This is to remove excess moisture. So I'm laying it out. I'm actually using 2 flat plates. So that means I'll be frying it in 2 different batches. Yeah, so I'm laying it out. So lower it out for about 5 minutes. So after laying it out perfectly, it's time to add chili pepper. Yeah, most people don't really do this, but I kind of love the feeling of the pepper in it. Yeah, the spiciness. But if you want more, you can add more than 2 teaspoons of chili peppers, depending on how spicy you want your fries to be. And you can also add your favorite vegetable to it as well, chopped. Then you mix it together just like I'm doing it. Make sure the pepper is everywhere. Make sure you feel it. So I'm laying it out right now, and it takes time, but within minutes you just realize it's not as hard as you thought it was. Really, it's not hard at all. It's just the soaking that takes time, which is very necessary as well. Yeah, so you can see me trying to make sure the pepper is everywhere. This is very important. Very, very important. Just like that. Yeah, while doing this, heat up a fry pan with oil that is like large enough to fry this for about 5 minutes. So preheat it for 5 minutes, then fry the potato. But there are rules applied to this. For the first fry for about 5 minutes. Yeah, some would say, why don't you just fry it? Actually, if you want a perfect crispiness, yeah, for your fries to be like that crispy feeling, so you have to fry twice. So the first batch you fry it for about 5 minutes, then you take it out. Then when you fry it the second time, fry it until it turns brown. Yeah, this is depending on how hot your pan is. So this should be done around 5 to 10 minutes though. So after 5 minutes, I'm bringing it out of the frying pan because I'm frying it twice. And if you're loving this, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you guys. So you can see it looks just like this if you just fry it for 5 minutes at first. I decided to fry it in 2 batches because you don't want the pan to be full of potato. You just have to give it space so it fries properly. So this is the second batch as well. Follow the same step. So you're frying it twice. Don't forget this. The first time, fry for about 5 minutes. Then the second time, when you put it back, fry it until it turns golden brown. Just simple as this. It's so simple, yeah. Doesn't require long steps and all that stuff. So you're gonna love it. It's just like a quick snack. And you can soak it before an occasion. So you can see it's turning brown. So your choice, if you want it golden brown or just slightly brown, go for it. It's perfect. Yay, can you see that? Can you see that color? And when you fry the first batch of this is fried at medium heat. Yeah. But this for the second time, just increase the heat a little bit. Yay, we have our fries. As usual, we did it. So I hope you try this at home. It's so super easy. Enjoy with friends and family. As usual, I shared it and I add a little, but still it's worth it. Yeah. I actually took this picture years ago, so I've gotten better in it. Yeah. So with time you get used to making this and you'll be a pro. Yeah, I took this picture a long time ago and I'm still loving it. I'm learning it and I'm loving it. So enjoy with your favorite drinks. Yeah. So don't forget to like and subscribe and click on the notification bell. Have a nice day, guys.